Hello all and welcome back to Home Coffee Solutions. Today we have De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. It's a new model by De'Longhi. It's a very elegant, easy to use. This machine has everything you need to make a cup of coffee at home. Either it's a milk based or it's just a black coffee. Turning on this machine is simple as just by pressing the button on the top right corner. Refill the machine with coffee beans, and here's the waste bucket to keep all the used coffee. The water tank is large enough to fit in 1.8 liter of water. The espresso maker comes with adjustable coffee spot as well with adjustable milk spot. This will come handy when you want to fit any size mug or a cup, and when you make espresso shots, it will not spill around to make a mess. Machine comes with 5 drinks with a volume by default. That also include a My button to customize any extra drinks that you want to come up with. When you make yourself a drink, just select the strength for your coffee or pick a bypass doser and then select the drink that you want to make. You will need to refill your milk container in case you want to make milk-based drink and just set it back into place. After using a milk craft, machine will remind you to rinse the milk spout. If you make yourself a tea or you need just a hot water, put in place the water spout and press the hot water button. If you are looking to get more out of your beans, just open the bean hopper and adjust your grinder depending on how coarse or fine you want it to be. And here is the cup warmer for you to keep your cups. Simple use of this machine will make your life easy. Size that will fit in most kitchen. A new generation of De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is definitely beat all the elegance look of 2022. There is nothing like it, as simple as this to use. A reliable espresso maker that makes coffee with a touch of a button. A high quality extraction of espresso will make your coffee taste delicious. A new model, De'Longhi Magnifica Evo, now available at Home Coffee Solutions.